Oh my goodness, it's a speeder. No, I mean a spider. No, it's a Buick. It's a 1967 Buick with a spider on it and flames. It's a flaming spire Buick with a laughing skull in the window and a devil behind it and something else. We gotta see this. Or I gotta see this. Oh my goodness. Check that out. I have never seen a mirror like that in my life. Well, I really have spent time to trick this pony. State wagon. Ooh, look at that hood. Sometimes cameraing is not that easy. I dearly hope that you are enjoying everything. If you don't find this one enjoyable, there is plenty of other things here on Willis Talk to find enjoyable. Take a look around. There's new things coming on every day. Until the next episode of Willis Talk, this is Willis signing off.